Hello everyone. So we are starting this new tour video for this nice, very nice, typical Tuscan house on Oliveto Terme in Pisa province. So we enter from here. There's private automatic gate. Property starts from here. There's private access and space for 2-3 cars. There are two ways. One leads to the rear side of the house, one in front of the house, where we are going to start this tour. Okay, so we have the main terrace here, very panoramic terrace with a great view on the valley. Very nice day today. There's very panoramic view from here with the pool down here, which is green now because it's winter and they are not using it. We are going to see the swimming pool later. Now let's continue with the house. So all this part is in perfect condition. This is the access to go downstairs to the pool, but now we are going to see the interiors. So this is another part in front of the entrance, covered with nice roof and an original oven, barbecue, I'm sorry. So we enter from here. Let's go. So here there's the entrance or dining room, as you wish. All the roof are in good condition, as well as the ceilings, Tuscan style with beams. From this side, on this side there's the kitchen with 4 steps up. Let's go. So main kitchen is here. Window on the barbecue. And on this side of the kitchen, there's a bathroom, if I find the light. No, well, I don't find it. And utility room here. This is where there's water tank. And the bathroom. Well, I don't find the light, I'm sorry. Okay, so kitchen, let's go on. Okay, here there's the living room with this huge fireplace which they use to heat the whole house. Okay, it heats the water and the hot water goes to the radiators which heat the entire house. And this is another big room which is currently used as a laboratory. The owner is a painter, as you can see. He's an artist. Okay, so from the living room we can go outside, hello, or on the first floor. Okay, so let's go. On the first floor, there are, we are going to see first 2 bedrooms. So, still, everything is in very good condition here. The owners currently live here and they keep everything in perfect condition. Nice stone walls, amazing view, big bedrooms, 2 big beds here, so you can imagine how big is this bedroom. And the other bedroom here. There's the original floor here. With a bathroom here. With bath. Hi. Okay. There's the walk-in closet here with the wardrobe. Okay. So again, original floors here and stairs. They found a window behind this wall, so they kept it as shelved. Okay, and view from this bed, from this bedroom, on the valley and on the big olive trees hill in front of here. Okay, let's go on. From here, there are a few more steps to go on this other small floor with another bathroom here with shower. So on this floor, there's another entrance from the rear side of the house, because before they thought to split the house in 2 apartments, so with 2 separate entrances. So this was another main door. I show you. This is the rear side of the house. The gate is there. Okay, so there's another entrance here. Okay, so as it was meant to be a different part of the house, closing that door, this part of the house had 1 bathroom there, 1 small kitchen here, which obviously it's not kitchen now, but all the systems are here to put here a kitchen. And this part of the house, through this new steel and wood stair, has 2 more big bedrooms in the attic area, which is very, very charming. So one bedroom, big bedroom here. With his own bathroom. Very cute, with shower. Okay, and still all these stone walls are really charming, really particular of this Tuscan style. Also the house is very bright. It is an old house, but very, very bright. And the last bedroom here. Wonderful restoration they have done here. This mix with plastered walls and stone walls, it's very, very, is a very, very good balance in the house. And every room has big window, so it's not so irrelevant actually. These stairs led to the main bedroom on the first floor, because at first this was the main stair to go in the attic. Then they changed it and made and built the new stairs. So they choose to close these stairs and used this one. So I'm going outside from here now to show you the rear side of the house. So they have solar panels there for the electricity in the house. They have a private water well, which is enough for the entire house and for the swimming pool. This is the roof of the laboratory. The other roof you can see there is going to be demolished because it is not in the plans. So once they sell, they have to take it down. Giorno. Okay, so let's go on. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the garden downstairs and the swimming pool. All stone road, so it is easy to walk here and to drive here. Some part of the garden, of course, now is not very, very good condition, being February. The property includes 3 hectares of land with olive trees, fruit trees, gardens, and so on. They produce olive oil, of course. So we are back here in the main terrace where you can relax, open air, with amazing view. It's very wonderful day today. So from here we can go down to the swimming pool, which I said it's not in perfect condition, being February, but still I show you how it is built. Nice stairs to reach the swimming pool. It has his own privacy from the house. You can see the house from here. It's very well exposed, the house. It faces southwest, so it has insulation in the walls facing the north part, so it keeps the house warm in winter and fresh in the summer. So nice solarium here with a veranda there. We can drink something. The swimming pool. Very nice. Wow, lemon tree here. It means that it's a very sunny location. So down here you can relax in the shadow facing the pool. Very nice. Nice garden, all with olive trees and small stone stairs here leading to the house there.